Do you think that girls like men with beard or clean shaven?
Clean shave. Clean shave.
All three of
For
you?
sure, clean shave.
Okay, and why would that be so?
Because I don't want his hair to go in my mouth while I kiss him, so no.
लड़कियां आज के टाइम में सच्चा प्यार नहीं ढूंढती हैं, लड़का हैंडसम है या नहीं है, कुछ नहीं ढूंढती, उसके पास गाड़ी कौन सी और उसके पास क्रेडिट कार्ड कितने हैं।
How do I make a girl crazy for me?
Will you make a girl crazy for yourself?
Just a nice pickup line. Not too
Pick-up
cheesy.
line? Okay.
Not too cheesy though.
मैं पागल क्या उसको इतना प्यार करूंगा कि वो खुद ही अपने आप पागल हो जाएगी.
My wife keeps talking about hot actors all the time. Okay, and it's really annoying. I don't like it. What should I do?
Hot actors.
आप बीवी के सामने सिर्फ सन्नी लियोनी की तारीफ करो, फिर देखो आप।
I would say just let me make out with other chicks. I would be.
Hey, what is happening, beautiful people? Thank you so much for making us India's most trusted street interview YouTube channel. So this week we took some of your funniest comments through the streets once again. So guys, without wasting any time, let us just sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. How can I make a girl crazy for me?
Crazy.
I'm looking
जो बोलते हैं ना literally एक लड़की को अपने लिए पागल कर देना है, वो कैसे करोगे?
You should be very original.
Be really sweet to her. By making her feel special, I think that works.
expensive car.
He just needs to be honest. That is what attracts girls.
An honest guy can make you crazy for him?
Yeah, of course, undoubtedly.
देखो आज के टाइम में हर लड़की को चाहिए कि उसकी तारीफ हो, चाहे वो कितनी गोरी हो या कितनी ब्लैक हो।
Be funny. I think be funny.
Do a little of sense of humor. I mean, I can make anybody laugh, so.
You should be funny. You should be very funny. You should be able to make a girl laugh.
तारीफ में भी ना झूठ बहुत जरूरी है, बिना झूठ के तारीफ ही नहीं हो सकती।
He can also say that you look familiar to somebody and blah blah blah. Start a conversation like that.
अगर आप में तारीफ करने की क्वालिटी है कि आप उस ब्लैक को ऐश्वर्या राय बना देते हो, तो वो लड़का 110% जीतेगा।
So let's say if a stranger guy wants to impress a stranger girl, okay?
Yeah.
And how would he, make the move?
Okay, that's bad. I don't know. Maybe we were trying one day, na, whistle out, or maybe, the girl. Exactly, na, that's a chore thing. It's just that somebody turns and we have a good stare and maybe talk to her. Exactly, confront her, maybe that way.
So let's see if she's an unknown girl to you, she's a stranger, and you want to impress her, and you want to make her all crazy for you. How are you going to do that?
I'll take her on a date. I'll take you on a date. Like let's go for a
Do you really
date.
think that can work?
No,
Okay.
not immediately.
If you want to impress your best friend, a girl best friend, you want to make her all crazy for you, then what are you going to do?
अगर मैं जाकर उससे बोलूँ यार बात कर ले, तो जाहिर सी बात है वो मुझसे देखेंगे यार ये तो गंवार है कोई।
I would say let's go to a ride.
Let's go. What type of?
As in our college, if you go to a strange girl and talk to her, she'll be more like open with it. But I think in DU, they won't be that open.
See, my wife keeps talking about hot actors all the time, and I don't like it. How do I tell her that?
Nothing. Just deal with it. It's natural.
If you
मेरे दिल में है. मेरे दिल में है. मुझे इसका आंसर जानना है.
So we can talk about hot actresses.
She must not be like satisfied or something.
क्या ऐसा उसमें है जो मुझ में नहीं है? If she finds him hot, well, I'll prepare myself to be more hotter.
more hotter.
क्योंकि अब वाइफ को पता है कि और एक्टर नहीं मिल नहीं सकती, सन्नी लियोनी मिल सकती है।
Play the music of the actor and start acting like him, maybe.
See, she's not hiding it, right? So she's telling you about it. So you should be happy. It's okay. It's all right.
Husband को आप क्या suggest करोगे?
Think
Check out
physique
other
and all.
women.
Check out other women.
If someone says that that person is hot, so yeah, that means we need some changes in ourselves so that we become more better than him. So that's the, why do people compare? That's the only reason.
So you're saying that the guy, the husband should just accept the fact and he should be cool. Like if the
Obviously, that's all. I mean, come on, face the reality. You're not getting Shah Rukh Khan anyway.
do you think that girls like men with beard or clean shave?
I like men with beard.
With beard?
Yes.
I don't like guys with beard.
Beard. Totally beard.
Why?
I don't know. It just look very nice on them.
Yeah, exactly. It's attractive. For me, it is. Look a bit more dirty.
I don't think it matters for girls generally.
जो लड़की कहती है सच्चा प्यार करती हूँ, वो मेरे से आके मिल ले, मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कौन सच्चा प्यार करता है।
They might
does.
say, some of them might say it does, but it's only
for
nice
everyone it
to
does.
look.
Beard.
I don't have beard. I'm sorry.
I know girls who say that they like men without beards.
Beard looks actually more manly. I mean, more matured enough.
A full-grown beard looks real classy, but then I think clean shave actually depends on people to people.
How long? Like
Maybe 1 to 2 centimeters long.
Not even a beard, like a normal stubble also. Yeah.
And how many compliments do you get when you keep stubble?
I don't actually keep stubble beard.
No, like however, like how you are having right now.
Um,
Get good comments.
Yeah.
What about you?
I don't have any beard, so I don't know.
Why is it that burps and fart makes people uneasy, even though it's a natural thing? Okay, and people have no control over
Burping
it.
is still fine, but farting is very annoying. Very annoying.
Even I feel uneasy, but then
It has got a nasty smell, maybe that's why.
That does.
Burp is okay, fine. You can do wherever you want. I mean, it comes naturally, but fart, you should do it in washroom only, I guess.
I think the timing should be right for such things. Timing should be right.
Burps are just gross, but
Fart is fine. Fart is not gross. Is that what you're saying?
If it's in a humorous way, it will be the best thing that happens.
I know, but we just make fun of it. Yeah, it's a crazy sound. We just like, oh, what the f did you do it?
It's a sign of love, I guess. Like if you can fart in front of your girlfriend and
It's a sign of love.
yeah,
Does it make you feel uneasy if somebody else does it in front of you?
I'm used to it.
You're used to it.
Not in front of people who I know. It's kind of funny that way.
Maybe just burping on my face, maybe, but आगे पीछे चलता है. It's like, all right, you did this something. We are cool.
We're used to it. We are used to it. We are used to it.
Yeah, if you fart, it. But if you're on stage, you're doing a speech or you're in a meeting and then you let one loose, that's embarrassing.
So did you guys fill up the meet and greet form? Quickly fill it up and get a chance to meet QRT. Also check out some of the best QRT videos by clicking right here. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. To see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram. And do the regular like and share on Facebook by simply searching for Quick Reaction Team. I will see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 p.m. with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye. As per idioms,
As per?
idioms, 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 however you
What are
pronounce
ideas?
it.
Is this something?
Wo
I'm
muhavare
over 40
and
years
all
old.
that.
What is all this, yeah?
Mr. Mukherjee. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Modi ji.
Modi ji. Who is the President of India?